Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this reveal effect using masking in the CapCut mobile. So you can try creating this reveal effect for an advertisement for your products, for example. And in here, I've already added a product video like this. And what you need to do next is just add a keyframe at the start of the video, then go to mask and select the mirror option, and in here click on adjust and rotate it into a 90 degrees. So I'm going to rotate it like this, and here you can adjust the position to your liking, also the size. You can make it small by pinching the screen like this, for example, and after that click on feather and adjust it to around 30. Okay, now I'm going to make the masking smaller, so you can adjust it to your liking. And after that, move forward to the middle part of the video in here and rotate the masking like this. Okay, so it will add another keyframe. And after that, go to the end of the clip. Now create the reveal effect by pinching the masking or get rid of the masking like this, so the product will clearly seen in the video. Now click on the check icon and this will be the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.